Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn on how to log into your Canada Post employee account. So let's get started. First, open any browser of your choice. Then in the search bar, type in Canada Post employee login. Then hit enter. Then tap on the website having URL as CanadaPost.ca. Now we are in the official website of Canada Post. Now scroll all the way down till you find this corporate section. Then tap on I am an employee. And now to log into your account, tap on Login to Employee Recognition site. And here you need to provide your login credentials to log into your account. So type a user ID in the text field given for your user ID. Then type a password in the text field given for your password. You can also check this box that says remember my username on this device so that you don't have to provide your login credentials next time you log in. If you have forgotten your username or your password, you can reset it by tapping on Forgot Username or Forgot Password. Now to log into your account, tap on the sign in button and you'll be successfully logged into your account if you got your credentials correct. And guys, that was it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, consider liking this video and subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Feel free to drop any of your queries or questions in the comment section below. I'll get right back to you.